I will use back the same example. 24, 36 and 42. This is my favorite example. Now we're going to divide by 2, the least common prime factorization. This is the prime factorization. On this side here, you cannot use any other number except prime numbers. Divide by 2, 12, 18, 21. You can still divide by 2 again. 2, 3, 7. And keep dividing until you get 1. If you cannot divide, you just leave it as it is. Example 2, 2 is 1. 2, 3, you can't divide, you put it as 3. 2, 7, you can't divide, you put it as 7. Put the same number back. Don't do anything. And keep on using that number so that you can divide. Now I have to use 7 here so that I can divide and get 1. Now I have 1. The LCM for 24, 36, 42 is just add up all the numbers here. 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 7. This is equivalent to 504. If I'm asked to find the remainder 7, the LCM with a remainder 7, all you need to do is 504 plus 7, which is equals to 511. This is your LCM with a remainder 7. Why plus? Why not minus? I'm going to do a working to show you why. To do a working, I will use these 3 numbers here. Ready? 24 divided by, this is a long division, 511 is equals to 48, 2, 3, 1, bring down, you can only do 1 time, so it's 24, 1. What's the remainder? 7. Can you see? Let's try the next number. 36 divided by 511, that you have added instead of minus. 36, only 1 time, correct? 151. How much? What's the value here? It's 144. Okay. I forgot to add up here. 14. Now that is 7 here. Can you see? Try the last one. 42 divided by 511. 0. 42. 9. Bring this down. 1. 91. How many times? 2 times of 42. 84. 7. Can you see? It's all 7. The remainder, this is known as remainder. So why don't you do it for the subtraction? See what do you get if it's subtraction. Let us try using the subtraction instead of addition. 504 minus 7 is equals to 49 what? What's the value here? 497. We are going to do the same for 497. If it's 24 divided by 497, you'll get 48 1 time and 17. So remainder is 17. What about 36 divided by 497? 36 1 time. What do you get? 1, 3, move down only 1 time. And 137 is 108. 108 is also what? 3 times. Yeah? Times 36 times 3 is 108. Then you have 29. Correct? Yeah. 29. How about 42? Interesting. 42, 497, 1 time. That's 7. Move down, 77. 42. That's what? 35. Now you have a different remainder. And this is not 7. That is why you should never subtract. You only addition. Do addition to get the remainder. If it's a remainder, to find the LCM with the remainder, you do addition. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.